Welcome back to another exciting episode of our LoopFlow plugin. Today we'll explore how to animate lava pouring over gravel. Alright, let's dive in. First, create a new composition and give it a name. Bring your image into the composition and apply the LoopFlow effect. Now analyze the image and create a natural flow for the lava. Draw two masks from top to bottom. The area between these masks will animate seamlessly. In the LoopFlow settings, go to Mask 1 and assign Mask 1 to it. Select Mask 2 and assign Mask 2 to it. Now check the preview. You'll see the lava moving seamlessly between the masked area. Create Mask 3 and Mask 4 to further define the lava's flow direction. Duplicate the LoopFlow plugin. Assign Mask 3 to Mask 1 and Mask 4 to Mask 2. Check the animation and adjust the masks if needed. Next, let's expand the animation. Create Mask 5 and Mask 6. Duplicate the LoopFlow plugin and assign these masks to Mask 1 and Mask 2. Preview the animation and make any necessary changes to the masks. Let's animate this section where the lava is pouring from. Again, create two masks for this area. Duplicate the effect and assign these masks to Mask 1 and Mask 2. Check the animation and adjust the masks if needed. Now it's time to animate the smoke caused by the lava pouring. Since smoke rises, we need to create two masks from bottom to top to define its direction. Duplicate the effect and assign these masks to Mask 1 and Mask 2. Check the animation and refine the masks as needed. Next, let's animate smoke from this section. Create two masks for this new smoke area. Repeat the previous steps. Check the animation. Finally, let's add the last set of masks to give our smoke a more natural flow. Create Mask 13 and Mask 14. Duplicate the LoopFlow effect. Assign Mask 13 to Mask 1 and Mask 14 to Mask 2. Our lava pouring animation is now complete. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. See you in the next video. Cheers.